Okay, so welcome to my Minto Remake plugin. This is purely for fun. So, I got my alt account right here, and here's how it works. Basically, you obviously go through Spawn Anchor, and then you place it down. It has the name, which it starts with a random UUID, and then it has an expires end date. So you can go to the name tag and say in the chat, and then all you do is just type whatever you want. So, for example, Minto new plugin or something like that, right? Something of the sorts, and it has that. And you can have spaces in it, and then you can just change the color however you want. So, for example, this is cyan, so the text over here will be cyan. It looks nice whenever it's not covered in blocks. But next thing you want to do is you'll see. So I haven't implemented the upkeep report nodes work income. What I have implemented is tiers. I tried making a custom head right here. That's why it's messed up. But I have the tiers right here. So for example, this is tier 1, which is I got straight off the wiki, which is 48 emeralds a day for 750 HP. And I have this with the basic anchor upkeep UI, and then I could put emeralds in there, which then it'll start maturing. Oh, I matured it earlier. That's why it was starting out on a little lower HP. But now, for example, because I have not, if I go in here, I have 8 trusted players, and because I don't have anybody in the trusted players as of this moment, my alt account VXN Dubsboy can go over here, and then, for example, if I want to try and like play something, it doesn't let you. Oh yeah, it's critting because I haven't set up crits properly yet. But for damage, I have. And if I just, it'll eventually get a crit. There you go, minus 14. And I made it so whenever you break it, you obviously can place blocks here. And I did make it so that you can grab TNT and flint and steel. It might work on obsidian. I forgot. Okay, so it didn't work on obsidian, but obviously these blocks still have HP, so I can go here. And you'll see it damages everything, and it has a custom value for each block. And then if I go into the owner's account, what you can do is you can go into here, click trusted players, and then add players. You just have their name and chat. So for example, VXN Dubsboy. There you go. So now it has this player. It says line skin, but that's just an error. And now if I go back into here, I'm able to interact with the anchor. You know, do the emerald upkeep, place blocks, break blocks, do everything a person in a normal anchor would. And I can obviously revoke it whenever I want. And then also the upkeep works with the emerald blocks. So oh yeah, it's obviously maturing, but after it's done maturing, it would have the same value as 9 stacks of emeralds. So yeah, this is what I have so far. Yeah, if you guys like it, please tell me. I'm working on it hopefully soon. So